Welcome to Mr. Woods' Wonderful World of Art, and I'm Mr. Woods. And if you've had a hard time with my other origami episodes, then have no fear. This one's so easy peasy lemon squeezy, I guarantee everyone can create this origami fish. So, materials that you're going to need besides your hands is a sheet of paper, needs to be square, so grab your materials and let's begin. Okay, like I said before, I guarantee that you're going to find folding this fish is going to be one of the easiest origami projects that I'm going to show you how to do. First, turn your paper, this square, this is a 6x6 in a diamond, and turn it over so the colored paper is against the table. Now I'm going to take the top and I'm going to fold it down to the bottom from the point to point. So make sure you roll, hold it, then fold it after you like it. Come back through with a nice sharp crease. Then we're going to take this point on the first section of the paper, not both sections, and we're going to come up slightly past that first fold, but we want to keep this new fold parallel with the first one that we created. And again, crease it down. Next, we're going to take this edge, we're going to match it up with the edge that we just created. Roll it, fold it, and then let's get a nice crease on it as well. And then this section is going to go down. This is going to be a bottom fin, slightly past the bottom. This will be the tail. So we're going to fold the tail and take this point, this section right here, and go straight up with it. So it's this edge here is going to go straight up and down. Fold it. And now this point will go all the way where you can see it's going to touch that corner. And that's the tail. So let's flip this over. We have only one more fold to finish it up. Like I said, it's pretty easy to create this fish. Top fin, bottom fin, tail fin. Then we're going to take this point. We're going to match it up down here. And that should give us, well, it's actually going to be a little bit shorter than what I pointed to begin with. Will give us the fish head. And there we have it. We've got a nice looking blue fish, but we've got to add some details to him. So what I have is just a fine tip or fine point Sharpie marker and just a white charcoal pencil. So let's add some details here. You can make your fish look any way you want. He can be happy, he can be sad, he can be glad, he could be wearing glasses. That's all up to you. But I'm just going to give him just a quick eye with a little bit of a reflection there. And then I'm going to add some fins. Make this one flare out a little bit. And this bottom fin here. And you can use colored pencils, crayons, markers, whatever you want. I'm going to give the old fish scale pattern. It's like you're making M's. Then come back through and connect the middle part. Remember, it is a fish. They don't have to be perfect. Just have fun when you're creating your fish. Think about, different types, give them personalities, give them names. They can have glasses, whatever you want. Make all kinds of different sizes, different colors. Now I'm going to come back in with my white. And I find that the white charcoal shows up on this origami paper a little better than a white colored pencil for me. And then I can even put a little white in the fins just to add a little bit of pizzazz. Do that in this one here. Remember, you're doing this, you're going to take a picture, you're going to upload it onto my Facebook page. That's what I'm looking for. So I'm looking for pictures of your fish. So put a little white in there on the fins. And you can even kind of smooth it out with your finger because it is white charcoal. Like I said, this one is pretty simplistic when you fold it up, but when you're done, looks pretty cool. So here's, fix that fin there. Here's my finished origami fish. And here he is swimming by. So I'm looking for yours on my Facebook page. And I tell you what, the first 10 people that upload an image of their origami fish will get a prize. I'll send you something. So you fold up the fish, take a picture of it, upload it on my Facebook page. First 10, you're going to get a prize. It's so awesome that you decided to join me for another origami episode right here at Mr. Woods' Wonderful World of Art. And after you fold up your fish, take a good picture of it, upload it back onto my Facebook page. And stay tuned next Sunday. Gonna have another origami episode and might even have a special guest helping me out. But until then, keep being original, keep being creative, most importantly, keep having fun. And remember, if anyone can do it, it's you.